Hey guys, up? What's poppin'? How you doing? In today's video, we'll be unboxing my Cartier love ring and bracelet. What? Yeah, I have no words. Not gonna lie, it has been a minute. As you can see, my background is different, but it's because we just bought a house. I feel so blessed and I'm so thankful because this is literally one of my dreams. My young me will be just so proud. I'm actually thinking to make a separate video about that house and all the updates and all that stuff, so make sure to stick around. Anyways, I don't want to be mushy because we're here about this Cartier haul. So if you guys are new here in my channel, hi, my name is Mikey and I post videos every single week, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. You already know where it is. Come subscribe, it's free 99. I bought it in Vegas, and during those times there was only one Cartier that was open, which is at Wynn Hotel. Went to the store with the intent of buying the Justin Cloud bracelet. I don't know, I just like it so much, so I was like, in my bucket list, I'm gonna buy this bracelet. But for some reason, I saw this dainty love bracelet, which I kind of fell in love with. First of all, it is cheaper than Justin Cloud bracelets, so in my mind, I was like, I can buy 2 jewelry instead of just one, and it can be matching ring and bracelet. I just thought it was such a good idea to have 2 Cartier instead of 1. And I really love the daintiness of the bracelet. It can be an everyday jewelry. Don't get me wrong, I still love the Justin Cloud. Like, it's still on my bucket list. In this bag is this Cartier certificate. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to show you these, but here it is. Nothing crazy. We do have 2 samples of perfume right here, so I am so happy because I have been into perfumes. The extra link into my bracelet because it was too big for my wrist, so they had to take off some links. I made sure that I will be getting this back because, you know, this is 18 karat gold. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. You know, just in case I get bigger wrist, I can put it back. I don't know. I paid for it. I'm gonna keep it. That's that. Let's finally open this bracelet right here. So it comes in this little pouch. I have opened this and already used this. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna take it out and put it on and show you guys. I have wear this literally every single day and it still looks so good. Here it is outside the case. It is so cute and just like I said, so dainty. It is so pretty. I love the intertwine of the love hoops, and the hoops itself, it's not a perfect circle. It's so subtle, and you know, it's just like your ride or die everyday jewelry. Okay, and this is literally what I've been waiting for. Let's do it. First of all, I love the stamp. It looks so good and perfect. I don't know why that breaks my heart. Oh, here you go. Here is the box. Ooh, what is this? Okay, it comes with pouch. Does it have something inside? It does not have anything inside, but it does have Cartier right there. And here is the box. I've watched so many videos about this and I am finally the one making the video and opening this. Like, what? Let's do this together. It's like I'm getting proposed or something. This is actually the wedding band size. They have the thicker one and this is the thinner one. I chose this one because, as you guys can tell, I love dainty right now, and I don't know, I just like this size, so it will match my bracelet. But anyways, Here it is. She's so pretty. Inside it has an engraved of Cartier and the serial number. I got this for my pointer finger, so let's see if it still fits. It's so pretty. I love it so much. I can't stop looking at it. It's so cute. I'm happy because we had our Louis Vuitton era, Dior era, and now we're in a Cartier era. Hello, I kind of want to buy more. As you guys can see, I got the yellow gold colorway because, as you guys can see, I love gold color. I was not really a fan of the rose gold, so that's not even an option. But the platinum or silver, kind of like it as well. But realistically, I wear gold a lot, so I will get the use of this. Sizing wise, I feel like there are a lot of few things to justify this purchase, but the few things that I will say is that this is an 18 karat gold. It retains the value, and not just because it's gold, but Cartier brand itself. It retains value due to brand and consistent consumer demand, and especially these specific design right here. It is a timeless piece. Like I said, this is an investment piece. Cartier increases their value like Louis Vuitton bags, Chanel, and all that. I'm so bad because I'm already thinking to get another one. The wedding band yellow gold ring had a retail price of $1,170, and the Dainty Love bracelet had a retail price of $1,790. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. I love it and I'm glad to be back. So I'll probably see you guys next week for another video, but for now, if you guys like this video, make sure to hit a like button and make sure to subscribe if you haven't. And also, before I forget, today's shout out goes to you. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.